be sure that you are on Canvas. Click on Modules, and we're going to do a practice download using Activity 3. Click on the first page of Activity 3, and be sure to download the text. After you download the text, it'll be found in your Finder. You can click on Downloads and open up the text. If you select the markup, you now will be able to add text for practice. Now let's save this. We need to make sure that we save this into our Google Drive. I'm going to go back to my Finder. I'm going to make a copy of this Activity 3. Then I'm going to go to my Google Drive, double click, and in the correct folder, Science Notebook, Studying Materials Scientifically, I am going to paste. It already says Activity 3 is there. That's correct because my original is there. But now that I've edited it, I can now say, yes, replace. And now it will replace the correct PDF. It might take a minute to upload, but then when you open it, your changes are shown.